What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you all the suits in The Amazing Spider-Man. So first up, as you see, we got the regular Spider-Man suit, which looks pretty cool. It looks pretty cool.
It's ugly.
And then we have Cross Species, which looks awesome.
Which is my favorite is test.
Scarlet Spider, which is my favorite one. He looks awesome. Then we have Classic Black Suit. I don't really like it.
Which is from Spider-Man 3.
Future Foundation looks awesome in this. Negative Zone looks okay. I thought he had the silver, like the shiny silver stuff,
which
like
he
the webs.
should have had.
And then Big Time, which
is the neon Tronish glowing guy.
Yeah,
which is
the Tronish
which is
looking.
my second favorite.
Yeah, he's my all-time favorite.
But so, it doesn't really look like a spider because it just has those two lines in the middle, like those two thick lines. It doesn't really look like a spider.
So thanks for watching. Leave a like or subscribe, and bye.